Hi everyone, just to let you introduce myself with a voice this time. If you've seen my previous video, you'll see that it's just a short one with some text on it. So I thought I was going to be dead shy and do this, but I'm not. It's okay, you know, I can deal with it. You're only looking into a camera and speaking whatever comes out your mouth. Also wanted to say, you know, I'm going to start doing a daily blog of what it's like to be unemployed in this new recession. I've been unemployed for 2 months now. I was made redundant from my previous job, which I got straight out from university, and I've been living on £95 every 2 weeks. I'm going to keep you updated with what it's like, if I've got any interviews, you know, any tips on how to save money. Like, I've quit smoking, you know, usage. The only thing that I've upped my usage is travelling to and from Liverpool every day. But hey, what do you do for love? Anyway, so keep coming back every day and I will tell you bits of my day and what it's like and how to, you know, get yourself through the recession. Alright? Bye for now.